How to stop background apps running on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the settings application on your device, and as you launch the settings application, scroll down and tap on the option of additional settings. As you tap on additional settings, scroll down again and tap on the option of developer options. As you tap on the developer options, scroll down again. And here you'll be able to see the category of apps, so just scroll down until you see that. So let's scroll down a bit again, and as you scroll down here you can see the option of background process limit, so tap on it. Now what you need to do in order to stop the background apps running on Android is simply tap on no background processes. So as you do that, you'll be able to stop background apps running on Android. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.